Jena, I'm going to be in that manager's meeting for the next couple hours.
Yeah, I was just getting ready for that. So.
Oh, right. Yes. Right. Yeah. Well, we're, looking forward to hearing your big ideas.
Well, thank you. I really appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah. What are we doing here? Oh, yeah. Is that right? Yeah. Well, I'm sure everyone's going to get a kick out of your, was it holiday shopping thingamajiggy?
Actually, it's an advanced purchase program that can save the company
Righty.
$100 that I've been working
I got to go take a squirt. Squirt and a half. Good morning, everyone. Okay. Boys, all right. Before we start the real management meeting, Jena has a little presentation she wants to do for us. Actually, Jena, before we get all caught up in your captivating presentation, why don't you get me some more coffee? Boys, do you need some coffee?
I like two.
Can't start at 2.
Isn't that going to kind of hurt my credibility?
Nah, you're a smart girl. A nice blouse, by the way.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Would you like cream with that?
Cream? Oh, Jen, are you nuts? I'm lactose intolerant. I'll be on the toilet for hours. You kidding me? Either way, who knows?
Oh, we would.
God. Half and half milk doesn't matter. Boom, it's going. You can sometimes with soy. That's how weird it is.
Don't even give
and I don't even like that stuff.
Lactose intolerant. Really?
First quarter looks pretty good, boys. But is it? Yeah, I think it's a little warm in here.
You look a little pale.
I'm all right.
Do
you
want
me to go check the?
It is warm.
You know what? I think I just got to do a quick loaf. Yeah, I'll be back in a minute. Oh no!
Oh wow! Woo! That's not even
my
human.
shoes.
It's a pony.
I feel like I just gave birth. We're gonna have to postpone the meeting.
All right.
Oh